Hello friends, welcome to our channel Care and Hope. Thank you for joining our channel Care and Hope. Our channel is trying to solve the problem in our furry friends, and always Dr. Samar Halder is with us to solve the problems of our furry friends. Thank you sir. You are most welcome in our episode. So today we will discuss on anxiety problem in our furry friends. There are many viewers. We have got the message through our Gmail that they want to know what is anxiety in dogs and what are the causes of anxiety in dogs. So please help our viewers to solve their problems.
Very important topic you raised today, anxiety in dogs. Anxiety is a very big problem in dogs. So, amongst the different kinds of anxiety, separation anxiety is the most important and common, because in today's life all of our family members sometimes are working, and while they are going for their own work, they are keeping their pets in some others custody or in some craze like facilities whatever is there in the nearer place. So whenever the dog feels that my parents will go away from me, dogs feel anxiety. This is called the separation anxiety. If separation anxiety is a very bad thing, in the sense there will be lot of cortisol secretion in the body of the pet, and this cortisol is, as we know, is very dangerous things in the body. It will damage the different organs in different way. There will be many of the hormonal problems, many of the metabolic diseases, and origin of all these diseases are mostly the anxiety.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, sir, it's very dangerous. I think it's very harmful as it is harmful in human and same in our furry friends. So fine, sir, now please help me. What types of anxiety we can find in our furry friends? Is there any solution this anxiety can be solved?
Anxiety, as I told, the different type of anxieties are there. Amongst all those things, different types, number one is the separation anxiety, then fear related anxiety is there, age related anxiety is there, and as well as the social anxiety. This is also very important things. These are there, and all those things are very dangerous in the sense what I told already. Nowadays we are seeing the dogs are suffering a lot due to increased cortisol level constantly in the body, their heart related problem, some of these metabolic problem, as well as what I think the decreased lifespan of the dog in comparison to the other animal is due to the lifelong anxiety of these furry friends.
Very nice, sir. Today I have learned a lot regarding anxiety, types of anxiety. You have helped us. Now next thing is that during anxiety, our viewers wants to know, as their pets are suffering with anxiety, or sometimes street dogs also suffering with anxiety. We can feel they are so quiet, not any activities are there. In that case, the pets which we are having at home, the anxiety time, what type of food we should provide them? How many times in anxiety attack we can give them meal and all? Our viewers wants to know. Please help us.
So regarding the meal during the anxiety period, my advice is always you have to give that type of food which is easily digestible, and that will blind food, what we call is a blind food, like this sensium like powder which are easily digestible, or even that is the commercial food what I told, sensium, that which is easily digestible.
Sir, through mail, they wants to know that during anxiety, we should take our pet on walk or not, and how to keep our pet calm during anxiety.
During anxiety, definitely you have to take your pet in the normal work. It is in outside or in outdoor or indoor, whatever the things, you have to be well acquainted. You have to mix with your dog. You have to talk with your dog many times, so that the dog can be distracted from that situation which is causing the anxiety. So that's why normal work, normal outdoor work, indoor work, you have to give the different types of toys, to play with the dog so that the dog can be distracted from the root cause of the anxiety. That is the main thing.
A pet lover from Lucknow, he wants to know that if our pet are suffering with anxiety, like sound anxiety or behavior anxiety, so is there any medicine we can give them, or where it is available in the market? Like without prescription, we should take it. Otherwise, we have to go to the doctor and all. But sometimes happens now we are very in hurry and our dog is suffering in anxiety. So in that case, how to provide them medicine, what types of medicine are there, and how many times we can give them medicines for anxiety? Please help us, sir.
Yes, this is also again a good question, because if problem is there, that has to be solved, and that can be solved. Solved, as I told in your earlier question. In continuation of that, I am telling many medicines are now available in the market. In homeopathy, allopathy, then some natural remedies are also there. Among the natural remedies are always better in the sense of other allopathy drugs and all. Natural remedies are hemp seed oil, as we know. Hemp seed oil, that is otherwise called as CBD oil also. That is the cannabis, to remove the different type of anxiety. And different type of now drugs are also available in spray form, in tablet form. Coming tablet is there, in spray form it is there. If we do spray from a distance of 10 to 15 centimeter to the animal, for the time period the animal will be down for a few minutes. So different type of drugs like clonazepam, diazepam, this type of generic names are there. Those can be used. Midazolam, these benzodiazepine group of drugs can be used for the anxiolytic drug.
There are many types of drugs sir have already discussed in this episode for anxiety problems in our furry friends. I think it's very easily available in all homeopathic shops. Dear all, before moving to our next questions, I request everyone, please subscribe our channel, like our channel, and please give comments to our channel Care and Hope. So sir have helped us by giving different types of medicines name which are very easily available in shops. So friends, before moving, I just request everyone who all are watching our channel, please like our channel Care and Hope, subscribe our channel. One of our viewers, he is very close to us from Bangalore. He wants to know that he have watched in his pet that after grooming, his pet fall into anxiety problem. He stops eating, playing, he stops all his activity. So what is this, sir? After grooming, does this happens or some illness is there?
Probably all the pet owners has experienced in their life that it is always advised. I don't know how grooming centers are doing the zero cut hair cutting. Zero cut hair cutting is not advisable at all in the pets, because if hair is a protective organ, protective things in the body. So if suddenly if they do the hair cutting at zero level, so almost without hair, pet will be without hair, and animal will feel very bad, because some sudden changes in the temperature they will feel some uneasiness, and that due to this anxiety animal will not take the food, will show some unusual behavior. So you have to deal with this, and prevention is better than cure. Always I will request all the pet owners that not go for the zero cut if you want to cut the hair at all during the summer season.
So one thing also he wants to know that if our pet is falling first time in anxiety after grooming, so second time what should we go? We should go for grooming or we should do at home? This he wants to know that. Grooming.
Ma'am, this is another thing. I have seen many dogs, when I enter, actually I do some of this home visit also for treating the critical patients, dogs. Now when I go, few dogs, they will come with lot of joys, and they will come and will come to get pet from me. This is one type of behavior of the pets. Another type of pets are there. After seeing me, they will go into the corner of the room or go under the bed. This is those fearful dogs. They suffer from anxiety a lot. So animal should be well acquainted with the personal. Those personal you should only call for the grooming, for nail cutting, hair cutting, or whatever the things, ear cleaning, anal gland evacuation, all those, and bathing and all those things. You have to call only those personals with whom the pets are well acquainted. But grooming should be done very carefully and by the person who is very lovable to that particular pet.
So today I have learned a lot from you regarding anxiety. Not only I, our viewers, pet lovers. One of the most very important questions that I want to know basically for myself, that I am having pets at home. So what are the causes, what are the symptoms I can find in my dogs or our viewers that they will be alert for their pets? What are the signs of anxiety in our pets?
You will find in your pet, if the pet is suffering from anxiety, either from the separation anxiety or some of these what I told, the firework sound anxiety, there will be either the dog will be hyperactive or will be very calm. In hyperactivity condition, you will see lot of drooling, panting, salivation, these type of things you will find. And when the animal will be in the calm condition, animal will sit in a corner. There will be some of these animal will shake their body like scissor. These two different types are there. Either the animal will be calm, or the animal will be very active. He will run here and there in different part of the house. There will be they will even the bark loudly, very loudly they can bark. There will be the salivation, increased salivation, panting will be there. And if the animal become calm, they will go under the bed. They may sit in a very corner and will be very shaky. These are the main symptoms. You can understand the animal is in the very anxiety condition. Then you have to definitely decide whether you will give some home remedy treatment, or better, my advice is to go to the nearer veterinarian or the dog behaviorist if anybody is there nearer to your home. This is my good advice.
Sir, anxiety attacks can take any particular age in our furry friends, or any like regular it can happen. What are the things? Please help me.
It's a good question, because in our pets, from the small age to older age, they used to stay at our home. So, which I have seen, the older age animals, pets, are more suffers from anxiety more than these other ages of animals. And small babies, puppies are also sometimes suffers from anxiety. Actually, this will not only depend on the age, this will also depend on some genetic factors are there. Some unknown person suddenly comes in your house, dogs may suffer from the anxiety. And one age-related problem, as I told, the old ages animal suffers more from anxiety, and even some puppies are also suffers from the anxiety, or throughout the life also animal suffers from anxiety. That will depend on the genetic factor. That is the things.
Time is up. Signing up today. So, dear pet parents, if you have any queries regarding your furry friends, your furry baby, please, we are always there with Dr. Samar Halder. He is ready to help your problems. His number is given below, and through comments you can ask any of your problems. Dr. Samar Halder is always there to help you all.